No clarity. No clarity. No clarity. No clarity.
Hey everybody, what's going on? Today I want to show you how to install a rear window louver in your 2005 to 2009 Mustang. The exact same kind that's installed on my 2006 GT. This louver will fit any Mustang between 05 and 09, both V6 and GT. So let's get into it.
This is what it sounds like when my heart cries.
Now, this install can be fairly simple and shouldn't take you more than a couple of hours, but there are some things you're going to want to let dry for roughly a 24-hour period, so just keep that in mind. You might want to take a weekend to do this. Now, before you start, you're going to want to grab a buddy who can help you kind of work out the placement. It can be a little bit awkward. To install the louvers, you'll need a socket wrench with an 8mm socket, the included alcohol wipes, adhesion promoter, silicone sealer, and the 8 metal brackets. To begin, you're going to wash the back area of your car, the rear window, and the areas surrounding it. You want to have a nice surface to work with. Then take the provided alcohol prep pads and wipe the area down.
No clarity, vision's unclear. No gravity.
Next, use the adhesion promoter pads and wipe the exact same area. This is going to provide a really good surface for those brackets to stick to. But when you do use the adhesion promoter, make sure to wear gloves. It can be pretty sticky and kind of gross if you don't. Okay, now that you have the surface prepped and cleaned, you can attach the 8 metal brackets to the louver. You can peel off the 3M red tape that's on the back of each bracket and place it on the window where you want it. This is where you want to have a buddy with you so he can be on one side of the car and you can be on the other. Make sure you place it right where you want it, square with the window. When you're pretty confident that it's down in place and where you want it, undo the nuts on each bracket and carefully remove the louver from the window. And once you have the louver off, you can use the provided silicone sealer and make small beads around the perimeter of each bracket. This is going to help prevent premature wear or weathering on each of the brackets.
No clarity.
Once you have the sealer on, you're going to let it sit for roughly 24 hours to make sure it dries and seals properly. After that, come back and put the louver back on the brackets, reattach the nuts, and you're pretty much done.
No clarity. This is what it sounds like when my heart cries.
Alright, thanks for watching guys. I really hope you liked the video and enjoyed the content. Let me know in the comments if you want anything else for new videos, different reviews, or installs, or anything at all. Please like and subscribe, and I hope you have a good day.